What's going on, everybody? It's Bobby with Speed Freaks Performance. Today we're doing something a little different. Headlightrestore.us reached out to us asking if we wanted to review their product. Today we are going to go ahead and test our product out. We're going to do it on our 2009 Volkswagen Tiguan. All right, as you guys can see, they're smooth, but they are heavily oxidized. So we're going to see if this product will bring the headlights back. First of all, we're going to clean the headlights really well, just in some soapy water. It's been a while since the car's been washed, so we're just going to make sure that they're clean. The kit does come with a cleaning wipe. I'll go over each step of the process of which the manufacturer suggests. Right now, like I said, it's been a while since it's been cleaned, so we're going to go ahead and take care of the majority of the cleaning with just soap and water. All right, it's a 3-step procedure: clean, dry, coat. Open the first packet, number 1, fold the cleaning wipe and clean the headlight thoroughly using the wipe provided. So again, it is the Headlight Restore, which are the cleaning wipes, 1 for each headlight, and then your protection layer, which you use this for both headlights. So taking the first one, open it up. It says to unfold the product and then clean the surface thoroughly. I mean, look at the filth coming off of the headlight. Making sure they are nice and clean. I mean, it's crazy because I just cleaned them with soap and water, and look at the amount of junk that was left behind. So now what we'll do, take our clean microfiber, go around the surface. Now they did say it'll dry with a slight haze. That's just to know that you have gotten all the contaminants off. So now dry it with a paper towel or a clean microfiber, just making sure that it's nice and dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the step on the other side. All right, now that both headlights have been cleaned thoroughly, after you have cleaned them with the cleaning wipes and dried both of them off, now your final step is to take the protection layer and do not unfold the wipe. Wipe both headlights thoroughly with product. It's a moment of truth. Make sure to get good coverage with the product. All right. Now it says, do not touch the headlights and avoid getting them wet for up to 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit, let this dry, and then take a couple snaps and see what they look like after that. Again, the product is headlightrestore.us. It is a two-step product, clean, dry coat. Again, we'll see how the product performs. All right, so after the product's been sitting for a little while, you can definitely tell the clarity has come back. One headlight was a little bit worse off than the other, but I mean, for a quick, simple, easy fix to improve the look and performance of your headlight, it's a great product. All right, so what we think about headlightrestore.us. It's a quick, simple, easy fix. If your headlights are, starting to dull out, losing their luster, less light projecting through the headlights. Quick, simple, easy fix. Headlightrestore.us. Again, it's a two-step product. Just give them a good cleaning. Clean with the cleaning wipes, dry them off, and then you put the protective layer. We'll put a link to their website as well as on our Instagram. We'll go ahead and tag them. But again, if your headlights have lost their luster, this is a good product to check out. Thanks for watching.